The beauty of her hair bewilders me, pouring adown the brow, its cloven tide swirling about the ears on either side and storming around the neck tumultuously. Or like the lights of old antiquity through mullioned windows in cathedrals wide, spilled moltenly o'er figures deified in chastest marble nude of drapery. And so I love it, either unconfined or plaited in close braidings manifold, or smoothly drawn, or indolently twined in careless knots whose coilings come unrolled at any lightest kiss, or by the wind whipped out in flossy ravelings of gold.